Hey there, thanks for watching my ClickPublishr review by OJ James, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This ClickPublishr review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what ClickPublishr promises us. Exposed ultimate success hack for 2022. New one-click software allows them to make $558 in 24 hours by creating simple websites within minutes. All done for you, made for beginners, zero skills required, and a low one-time fee. We scroll down just a little bit. They do talk about creating traffic-ready website in any niche in minutes, getting ranked on Google, 100% beginner-friendly, 65 quality templates, build lists, drive traffic again, and generate sales. There's a 3-step process. You're going to log in, choose your template, and then add your payment or affiliate links. If we scroll down just a little bit further, we do have a final suggestion on the sales page to actually build multiple sites and become a freelancer. So before you do that, let's take a look in the dashboard. First thing you can come in, you always want to look at training. In this particular product, there is no training. These are all the same 7-second video. And this is the same problem I had with the last product I reviewed of OJ James, is that it had no training in it whatsoever. Now back on the dashboard, if this looks familiar to you, it is in fact a basic WordPress dashboard. So it is not new like they told us on the sales page. First thing you're going to do is come in and add a new site. Then you'll see the templates. Now I am not the only one in this access. So there have been other sites made, but there are 65 templates in here. We'll just choose the classic blog. As we scroll through and look at this, you will need to bring all of your own information. You will need to build this website using just the template. So you'll need your own text, you'll need your own articles. And if you're going to put this much effort into building a website, wouldn't you want to build one that you own? And we'll talk about that in just a second. So if we wanted to use this template, we'll click up the top right. And for some reason, that takes me into the upsells for ClickPublishr. So let's try a different template. See if we'll try this one. So now we just have to give it a site address and a title. Now, if we look at the site address that we put in, this could be our business name, but you are being hosted on the ClickPublishr.com platform. So you're basically using ClickPublishr as your domain, and you're putting a subdomain or a page on top of that. So you're paying OJ James to host, and that just adds a middleman. We'll go ahead and add this site, and that one already exists. So if we go back, I was going to choose the same template again, but it does look like my site is showing up here. And once you've got one made, you can just go to my sites, and we can see the one I just made shows up here. So if we visit that, this would be the website that I just made if I had made any adjustments. As far as the page builder goes, I don't see any issues with it. It seems to work just fine as a page builder, but do you have enough content to fill this page out and to put enough words in here for it to try to rank on Google? Oftentimes, a subdomain on a URL will not rank on Google, and it is very, very difficult to make that happen. You're not going to get the training to do that in this platform. And if we go back to the dashboard, the dedicated support actually goes out to the help desk at ClickPublishr. There is an agency kit in here, but once you get in, you can't access any of it, so I can't speak to that. There's bonuses that you can't access and a community that you cannot access. As a matter of fact, a lot of this stuff on the left you actually can't get into. That may be because of the access that I'm using. But if we look at appearance and themes, you can see ClickPublishr is actually just using JNews by JegTheme. So I did a search on that and was able to find it here on ThemeForest. So if you just go to ThemeForest and type in JegThemes, you can see it sold for $59. And you can put that on your WordPress website. You would be able to get support straight from JNews and JegTheme instead of having ClickPublishr as your middleman. So what's the strategy with ClickPublishr? Basically for you to use his WordPress website and his themes. So you're using him as hosting to build a website. And because there's no training with this, that's all we know. But after having been inside the dashboard, and read the sales page, they want you to build this website and input your affiliate link to sell products, or build multiple websites and actually sell them as a freelancer. Some of my problems with ClickPublishr is there's absolutely no discussion of traffic or how people will see your websites, where you would put your affiliate link, or how you would even make any sales with it. And if we look at WordPress.com, you actually get WordPress for free, and it does include everything you need to start. The more you customize your website, the more you will need to pay, and that is where WordPress actually starts to charge you, is for more customization, such as owning a domain yourself instead of just having a subdomain. For a personal account for a year, it would still be cheaper than buying ClickPublishr and its first upsell. There are plenty of free WordPress themes for you to come in here and take a look at. And if you're going to start building a brand new website, starting with a smaller template may be a lot easier than having to fill out a full website with all of these pages and articles in the very beginning. Like I said, JNews that ClickPublishr is using is just a theme. We also use WordPress, but we have chosen to use ThriveThemes. It's just a different package. It is a bit more expensive. Another alternative is if you have an autoresponder such as GetResponse, they actually have website building capabilities already, and GetResponse has a ton of support 24/7. That support you may not get in ClickPublishr. Remember, with subdomain types, you don't own this URL. If this goes down for some reason, or it goes offline, you would have to wait on OJ James to get in touch with JNews to troubleshoot. You couldn't just get in touch with JNews to troubleshoot because OJ James actually owns this website. You don't own this website. So you can't troubleshoot it or try to get it back up if anything goes wrong with it. If you guys are interested in a free website, I will add a link above, and there is a link in the description below of how to get a free affiliate marketing website so you don't actually have to pay. Now, if you're here because you actually want to be a freelancer, truth be told, you should know everything I've already told you in this review already. And the reason is because the competition freelancing on a site like Fiverr is really large. Website builders, there's 25,000 other people competing for business. There is a little section up top for buyers that keep returning, but you've got to have buyers first. And if you are brand new starting out, you're going to show up as number 25,000. You're not going to show up in the top of the page. There is no discussion with ClickPublishr on the strategy for this, how to make money, or how to update your bio to even pull in more traffic. And yes, that's a thing. You can do that, but you're going to need training on it. And ClickPublishr is not going to give it to you. As for the pricing on ClickPublishr, on the front end, it's going to be $19. Upsell number 1 is $67. So like I mentioned before, if you actually wanted to get WordPress, which is free, and purchase a theme, whether it be from ThemeForest, ThriveThemes, use a free theme, you may already have this capability with your autoresponder. You may not even have to pay for it. But for the price of this and the upsell, you could do this for a year on your own with actual support and training. Upsell number 2 is $47 at the automated edition. I was not able to find any more details on these than this. Upsell number 3 is $37, that's the diamond. And upsell number 4 is $197 at the reseller license. Your total price for ClickPublishr is going to run you $367. Look, if you do want to be a freelancer web developer, please go take classes. Learn how to do this the right way and actually own your tools so that you don't have a middleman if you have to troubleshoot with support. There may only be 3 steps according to the sales page, but there is no discussion of step 3 whatsoever. They don't talk to you anything about affiliate links. They don't talk to you anything about the traffic that they mentioned twice in their bullet points. There is no training in here. We discussed how this is probably never going to rank on Google page 1 because it's a subdomain and you would need a lot of targeted keywords for that to happen. Look, there's nothing new about this software, and it's definitely going to be more than one click to get a website built for yourself. I'm going to let you decide if you want to waste your time, your money, or your energy on ClickPublishr. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this ClickPublishr review answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching!